Looking for a fast-charging, ultra-responsive stylus for your iPad? Meet the 2X Fast Charge Active Stylus Pen, designed for 2018 to 2025 Apple iPads. Take your creativity and productivity to the next level. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to WatchWire News, where we dive into the latest smartwatch trends and statistics that matter. I'm your host, Rohan Jampal, and today we're comparing Fitbit versus Apple Watch. Which one comes out on top? As of 2025, the global smartwatch market is booming, with over 454 million users worldwide, a 41% increase from last year. Apple Watch still leads the way with a whopping 28% market share, while Fitbit takes second place with a 12% share, up 2% from the previous year. But what's behind this shift? Apple's annual smartwatch shipments have declined by 19% to 34 million units in 2024, but their user base has grown to over 200 million globally. On the other hand, Fitbit's revenue stands at around $1.31 billion, and they're ranked fourth in the global market share with a 4.4% share. In the US, Apple leads the fitness tracker vendor market with nearly 40% share, followed by Fitbit at 16%. But it's not just about sales, we need to look at the features and user experience. When it comes to battery life, Fitbit takes the lead, lasting up to 36 hours in low-power mode. Apple Watch can only stretch for 18 hours, although their Smart Assistant feature is a game-changer with a built-in GPS. However, if you're looking for budget-friendly options, Fitbit's got you covered. Their most affordable model, the Fitbit Charge 6, starts at around $100, while Apple Watch models begin at over $250. But it's not just about price, we also need to consider features like sound and speaker quality. According to recent statistics, Apple Watch has an edge in this department. But what about the users? Who is Fitbit catering to with their affordable devices? We know that they're targeting fitness enthusiasts who want reliable tracking without breaking the bank. And it's working. Fitbit sales have seen a significant increase in recent years. As we look to the future, the global fitness tracker market is projected to grow at an impressive 18% year-over-year, reaching $162.8 billion by 2030. So what does this mean for consumers? It means that you'll have even more choices and options when it comes to smartwatches. In conclusion, Fitbit may not be leading the pack in terms of market share or revenue, but they're certainly holding their own. And with their focus on affordability and user experience, they're becoming a trusted choice for fitness enthusiasts around the world. That's all for today. Thanks for watching WatchWire News.